Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable dishwashers, the COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher and the AIRMSEN Countertop Dishwasher. Today, we will explore their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're living in a small apartment, dorm, or RV, finding the right dishwasher can make all the difference in your kitchen experience. Let's dive in. The COMFEE's Portable Mini Dishwasher is designed for compact spaces, measuring 17.2 inches in height, 21.6 inches in width, and 19.7 inches in depth, accommodating up to 6 place settings. In contrast, the AIRMSEN Countertop Dishwasher, while still compact, is slightly larger at 19.53 inches high, 21.57 inches wide, and 14.17 inches deep, but it only accommodates 5 place settings. This makes the COMFEE more suitable for those needing a higher capacity in a smaller footprint. One significant difference between these two dishwashers is their water source. The COMFEE requires a faucet connection, which may necessitate an adapter for installation. On the other hand, the AIRMSEN features a built-in water tank, allowing for more flexible placement without the need for direct plumbing. This makes the AIRMSEN a more versatile option for those who may not have easy access to a faucet. When it comes to price, the COMFEE's Portable Mini Dishwasher is priced at $289, making it a more affordable option for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the AIRMSEN Countertop Dishwasher comes in at $399, which may be a consideration for those looking for cost-effective solutions. However, the additional features of the AIRMSEN, such as its built-in water tank and extra drying function, may justify the higher price for some users. In conclusion, both the COMFEE's Portable Mini Dishwasher and the AIRMSEN Countertop Dishwasher offer unique benefits tailored to different needs. The COMFEE's is ideal for those seeking a compact, affordable option with a higher capacity, while the AIRMSEN provides flexibility with its built-in water tank and additional features. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.